Picture this: a place with perfect beaches, crystal clear water, and an amazing underwater world. This place is Fernando de Noronha, a group of volcanic islands off the coast of Brazil. A paradise both above and below the waves, home to tons of cool sea creatures. One of the most awesome is the spinner dolphin. Spinner dolphins are small and streamlined. They are famous for their acrobatic displays. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the ocean. Their sleek, torpedo-shaped bodies allow them to move through the water with ease and grace. Their small, curved dorsal fins cut through the water as they swim. Their pectoral fins, located on their sides, help them steer. Their powerful tails propel them forward. Their playful nature is contagious. They often approach boats, surfing the bow waves with effortless grace. Spinner dolphins are highly social animals. They live in groups that can number in the hundreds. They are a vital part of the marine ecosystem. Spinner dolphins are pretty small. The spinner dolphin, Stenella longirostris, or long-snouted spinner dolphin, is an ocean dolphin. We find them in the open ocean and near the coast, especially in warm tropical and subtropical waters. They have a long, thin snout with a black tip. Their backs are darker than their bellies. These amazing dolphins do spinning jumps, twirling around many times before splashing back into the water. That's how they got their name. Spinner dolphins are about 6 feet long and weigh between 140 and 170 pounds. They can live for up to 35 years. They're super agile, partly because of their streamlined shape and a special oily skin that helps them move through the water really fast. This helps them get enough speed for their awesome jumps and spins. Their bodies are sleek and streamlined. This helps them move through the water easily. Their colors are also really cool. Their backs are dark gray or black. Their sides are light gray, and their bellies are white or pinkish. This color pattern, called counter shading, helps them blend in with the water. It makes them harder for predators and prey to see. From above, their dark backs blend in with the deep ocean. From below, their light bellies match the bright water surface. They are masters of disguise in their watery world. They are also incredibly agile. They're famous for their acrobatic leaps and spins. They can launch themselves out of the water, almost like they're flying. They spin around and around before falling back into the waves. It's a truly amazing sight. Every spinner dolphin has unique markings. These markings, often scars or scratches, help researchers identify individuals. They can track their movements and social interactions. These markings tell stories. They tell of encounters with other dolphins, encounters with prey, and encounters with the challenges of ocean life. The spinner dolphins of Fernando de Noronha hold a special place in many people's hearts. They are a symbol of the island's natural beauty. They are a source of wonder for those lucky enough to witness their playful antics. Their presence is a reminder of how important it is to protect our oceans. We must ensure that these amazing creatures continue to thrive for future generations. Spinner dolphins mostly live in tropical and subtropical waters. They're often found near coasts and around islands where the water is warm and clear. These amazing dolphins live in many parts of the world, including the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. In Fernando de Noronha, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, they're always around, enjoying the nutrient-rich waters and protection the archipelago offers. Noronha's unique geography and ocean conditions create a perfect sanctuary for these extraordinary creatures. There, spinner dolphins not only find a home, but a thriving ecosystem where they can hunt, play, and raise their young. The archipelago's natural beauty and rich biodiversity make it a vital refuge for spinner dolphins and lots of other marine species. It's like an oasis in the middle of the ocean. This shows how important it is to protect these habitats for future generations, so our kids and grandkids can also enjoy all this beauty. After all, protecting nature means protecting ourselves. The spinner dolphins of Fernando de Noronha have a daily routine. Their day is a balance of hunting, socializing, and resting. As soon as the sun rises, they start their day. They leave the shallow protected bays where they rest at night and head for deeper waters to hunt. Spinner dolphins are skilled hunters. They work together to round up schools of fish and squid. They use echolocation to find their prey. They make sharp clicks that bounce off objects in the water. These echoes create a sound picture of the environment. They can pinpoint the location of their prey. They are efficient hunters. They often catch more fish than they need and share their catches with other members of the group. This cooperative hunting strategy is proof of their intelligence. What do spinner dolphins eat? Mostly small fish and squid, but their diet can change depending on the available food, like crustaceans. For example, dolphins aren't just skilled hunters and social creatures, they're also incredibly playful. Throughout the day, when they're not hunting or resting, it's common to see them taking part in various playful activities. Spinner dolphins, in particular, are known for their acrobatics. They leap from the water, spinning in the air, as if they're performing for an audience. These playful moments aren't just for fun. They have important purposes. Play helps young dolphins develop essential life skills, like a good soccer player practicing from a young age. It also helps strengthen social bonds within the group. Watching these fun interactions, we can see the joy and intelligence that make these creatures so amazing. From chasing each other to surfing the waves created by boats, like there at our Powador beach, their joy is proof of the vibrant life that thrives in the ocean. These moments of pure fun remind us of the beauty and complexity of marine life, a treasure we need to protect. Are you enjoying this video? Then like it right now so YouTube knows you liked it and can share this video with more people. Spinner dolphins are very social animals. They live in groups that can be small or have hundreds of dolphins. These groups aren't random. They have complex social structures. Inside the group, there are strong social bonds. Mothers and calves have close relationships. They often stay together for many years. Other dolphins form close friendships. They play with each other. They rub against each other, chase each other, and even carry things in their mouths. These social interactions are important for the well-being of the group. They make their bonds stronger, reduce stress, and help them work together. They're a fascinating example of the complex social lives of animals. Spinner dolphins communicate with each other in many ways. Spinner dolphins play a vital role in the marine ecosystem. They are top predators. They are at the top of the food chain. This means they help regulate the populations of other marine animals. By keeping prey populations in check, spinner dolphins prevent any one species from becoming too dominant. This balance is essential for a healthy ecosystem. Imagine a world without predators. Prey populations would explode. They would overgraze on their food sources. This could lead to the collapse of the entire ecosystem. Spinner dolphins are essential for maintaining this delicate balance. They are the guardians of the underwater world. They are a vital link in the food chain. Their presence ensures the health and stability of the entire marine ecosystem. Their role is crucial for the well-being of all marine life. A web of life. Spinner dolphins are part of a complex web of life. They interact with a wide variety of other marine species. They share their habitat with sea turtles, sharks, rays, and lots of different kinds of fish. These interactions can be both helpful and competitive. For example, spinner dolphins and seabirds often work together to find food. The birds spot schools of fish from the air and dive down to eat. This alerts the dolphins to the presence of prey. The dolphins then use their echolocation to pinpoint the fish's location. They work together to herd the fish into a tight ball. This makes it easier for both the birds and the dolphins to catch their meal. This kind of cooperative hunting shows how interconnected life is in the ocean. Spinner dolphins are top predators in this food chain. Nature's acrobats. Spinner dolphins are famous for their acrobatics. Their spinning jumps are a sight to behold. They launch themselves out of the water, spinning multiple times before splashing back into the waves. Scientists believe these spins have several purposes. The spins may help the dolphins communicate with each other. The sound of their bodies cutting through the air can send messages across long distances. The spins can also help dolphins get rid of parasites. The force of the spins can dislodge parasites from their skin. Another theory is that the spins are simply a form of play. Dolphins are highly intelligent animals. They are known for their playful nature. The spins might be a way of expressing their joy and exuberance. Whatever the reason, the sight of spinner dolphins leaping and spinning is a true wonder of nature. It's a reminder of the beauty and diversity of our planet. Spinner dolphins live in a world of sound. They use echolocation to navigate, find food, and talk to each other. Echolocation is like a biological sonar system. It lets dolphins see in the dark depths of the ocean. Dolphins make sharp clicks from a melon-shaped organ in their foreheads. These clicks travel through the water, bouncing off objects in their path. The dolphins listen to the echoes. They use these echoes to create a mental map of their surroundings. They can figure out the size, shape, and distance of objects. This lets them navigate in complete darkness. They can hunt prey that are hidden from sight. Dolphins also use a variety of other sounds to communicate. They make whistles, squeals, and clicks to send different messages. These sounds can travel for miles underwater. This allows dolphins to stay in touch with each other over long distances. Even though they're playful, spinner dolphins face many dangers. Human activities are putting more and more pressure on the oceans. One of the biggest dangers is getting caught in fishing nets. This can hurt them or even kill them. Pollution is also a big problem. Chemicals and plastics pollute their home. Even Fernando de Noronha feels the effects of pollution around the world. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the spinner dolphins of Fernando de Noronha. The archipelago's status as a UNESCO World Heritage Site offers protection. Researchers study the spinner dolphin populations. They try to understand their movements and behaviors. This knowledge is crucial for conservation strategies. Responsible tourism practices are being promoted. Visitors are encouraged to observe from a safe distance. The future of spinner dolphins isn't just up to researchers and environmentalists. It's up to all of us. By making small changes in our daily lives, we can make a huge difference. Avoiding single-use plastics, supporting eco-friendly products, and paying attention to our carbon footprint are just a few ways to help. When you visit amazing places like Fernando de Noronha, practice responsible tourism. Respect wildlife and animal habitats. Follow the rules and keep a safe distance from marine life. Every action counts. Participate in local or global conservation initiatives. Volunteer, donate, or simply spread the word about the importance of marine conservation. Your participation is really important. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can ensure that the spinner dolphins of Fernando de Noronha continue to thrive in their natural habitat. Let's be the change we want to see in the world. The spinner dolphins of Fernando de Noronha are a treasure. They are a symbol of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. Their acrobatic displays never cease to amaze. Their playful nature brings joy to all who encounter them. Their presence is a gift. It's a reminder of the wonders that lie beneath the waves. However, their future is not guaranteed. Human activities continue to threaten their survival. It is our responsibility to protect them. We must reduce our impact on the ocean. We must support sustainable practices. We must educate ourselves and others about the importance of marine conservation. The fate of the spinner dolphins is in our hands. Let's act now. Let's work together to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Their survival is our shared responsibility. Let's be the guardians they need. Let's ensure that their legacy of wonder and joy continues. Did you enjoy this video? Then, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this one. And if you are already subscribed, participate in our poll on the community tab of the channel and help us decide the theme of the next video. See you in the next video.